Snails belong to the phylum Mollusca, which literally means soft and includes species such as octopuses, clams, and snails. This phylum is characterized by having a soft body, either naked or protected by a shell, as in the case of snails. These animals are widely distributed across the planet, inhabiting land in virtually all ecosystems, except very cold regions, freshwater and saltwater. Wherever vegetation exists, snails are likely nearby. They possess a muscular ventral foot that secretes mucus to aid movement. Many species are herbivorous, though some are omnivorous or carnivorous, the latter primarily marine. Land snails breathe through lungs and are classified in the order Pulmonata. Along with slugs, they're the only mollusks adapted to terrestrial life. The African giant snail belongs to the family Acatinidae, known for medium to large-sized species in tropical regions. It is the largest land snail in the world. Its shell can reach up to 4 inches, 10 centimeters, and its soft body can extend up to 8 inches, 20 centimeters. Its shell displays yellowish-brown or reddish-brown hues, and its weight ranges between 8.8 to 15.9 ounces, 250 to 450 grams. Their large size has led some people to seek them as pets, a practice prohibited for reasons we will explain later. They are hermaphrodites, meaning they possess both sexual organs. Their courtship ritual involves stroking each other's heads and front parts, a process lasting up to half an hour. Depending on the pair's size, both may mate simultaneously, but if one is smaller, the larger individual assumes the female role. Each clutch can contain up to 200 eggs, with up to 6 breeding cycles per year and a 90% hatching rate. This means a single snail could produce 1,200 offspring annually, making them highly prolific. Though primarily herbivorous, they consume a wide variety of plant matter, fruits, and even bones, sand, or small stones to obtain calcium for shell development. This voracity has made them a threat to crops, leading many countries to ban their introduction. Listed among the IUCN's 100 most invasive species, the African giant snail not only devours vegetation, but also acts as a disease vector. It can host 7 types of parasites, including one that causes meningitis in humans. These parasites spread through contaminated plants, contact with their mucus, especially via open wounds, or consuming undercooked snails. Gloves are recommended when handling them. Native to African countries like Ghana, Nigeria, and Sierra Leone, they have been introduced to South America, Pacific Islands, and other tropical regions. Causes include accidental transport in agricultural products, culinary or religious use, and the pet trade. A historical example occurred during World War II when their introduction to Pacific colonies as a food source for troops led to infestations. To control them, the rosy wolf snail was introduced, but instead of targeting the giant snails, it decimated native species, driving 45 to extinction. Owning this snail is penalized in many countries due to its environmental, agricultural, and health impacts. A single escaped specimen could trigger ecological and economic crises. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and share it. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks for watching. See you next time.